I-caption mo. After bembang tayo.
Siraulo ko talaga.
Day up time. Paros tayo. Napakaroon sa all. Ayun na. Naku, malinis. Bagong goalie na naman ang sakyan ko. Laki palang gulong ko. Buti naman malinis, taas. Mahirap yung trabaho ito mga to. Every, malamig, mainit, ano, nandiyan sa malamig yung tubig. Manila pag mga ano pa car wash pag wala masyadong tao. Kasi at nalilinis nila maigit sa akin eh. Pag maraming tao, pag busy hindi. Kasi pabilisan yun eh.
And a sense of what could be a difficult time economic, becoming a beautiful time. These are the kind of stories we wrote down during the holiday season. We see all these kind of stories tonight, 8:30 p.m. on Spectrum News with our Spectrum News' ultimate holiday list, Giving Back. It's a special bring together these stories that you've seen us bring to you over the last few weeks, like the ways in which people are stepping up in the community to making not just receiving of giving, but a lifestyle, a choice. They say stuff that doesn't happen, so is giving, and we love that. When it comes to our community, we got tonight, especially.
Nagtutra ko to. Oo. Ito is it there. Tingnan ng ibon na yun ah. Bigyan ko kung quick car wash lang. Yung truck ko eh. Kamunti ka nakapumo ng ganito last time eh, before your truck. Jeep Wrangler Rubicon Edition. Maganda rin yan eh, pero mahirap. Nagtags ako din in the drive. Pero maganda. Yun yung truck ko eh. After a long while, I haven't washed that truck for what? Almost 2 months because it's been raining. Hinawas yun. Ang ingay ng ibon na to ah. Ayan o, see. Diba? Ang ingay mo. Uy. Video na ito. Ang ingay mo naman. Mag-asawa siguro to. Mag-asawa to. Yun yung kabit. Yun yung kabit. Tingnan natin. Nililigaw mo ba? Ano? Yan yung kabit to, naghihintay. Baba. Yan na. Today's Wednesday. Wednesday ngayon. Day off ako. Day off Monday. One day and every week lang ang day off ko. Kasi umuulan. Tagal ko din na car wash yan eh.